Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is Uniswap coin or UNI coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. So after seeing the chart, what do you think, whether the candles will fall further or is there any breakout is going to happen? So that we'll find out in the video itself. So watch the video completely, and by end of the video I'll be talking about the different levels. So let's begin. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line, okay, and this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. And you can see that previously the candles were moving in a upward direction. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line, okay, and you can see after the candles went to the resistance level, continuously the fall is continuously the candles are moving in this channel pattern. So this is the support trend line, okay, and this is the resistance trend line, okay. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving, and after the candles went to the resistance level, now candles are falling, okay. And if you draw the trend line, you can see previously the candles were moving in upward direction, and then you can see the breakout happened and then candle started falling. So this is the support and this is the resistance. So continuously the candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern, okay. So here you can see candles are moving towards the resistance level, okay. So if you go to the daily chart also, you can see that candles are moving toward the resistance level. So this is the support trend line, and you can see candles are moving towards the resistance level. So after the fall the candles went up and then continuously the fall is happening, okay. So this is support and resistance, okay. So like this it may fall, and after the breakout it may go to the resistance and then fall may take place, okay. So like this the candles are moving, okay, and okay, you can see very clearly that candles may fall in this channel pattern. After the breakout it may go up and then fall. If the if you see if there is a breakout happens from here itself, then candles may go up, or else it will come down to the support, and then finally if the breakout happens it may go to the resistance level. So if there is a breakout happens, then it is possible like the candles may move to the resistance level. If the breakout doesn't happen, then candles may fall to the support and it may move in the support for some time, and then it may go to the resistance level. So you can see that very clearly how these candles are moving, okay. So now we'll talk about other details about this cryptocurrency, okay. So you can see the current price $5.58. It is up by 3%. Rank is around 51 position. Around 792k users are following this cryptocurrency. The market cap is $3.54 billion, and the volume in 24 hours is $190 million. And you can see the total supply is $899.75 million, and the circulating supply is 635, okay, a million unicoin, okay. So these are the other details. Now we'll go to the chart again. So always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses after drawing the trend lines. Whenever you see an opportunity, always have a stop loss, okay. So this resistance level is around 12 and the support level is around 3. If the breakout happens, then candles may move to the resistance level around 12.73, and then fall may take place. So if you see in monthly chart, if there is a breakout happens from this level, then it may go to the resistance level, which is around 42.32, okay, and from there fall may take place. So anything is possible. So either the candles may give a breakout and go up, or else the candles may fall in this downtrend channel pattern, may come to support, and then from here it may start moving towards a resistance level, okay. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you.